ZEO stock analysis and ZEO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Zeo Energy 249 is where we're sitting at. The market is going to close in 5 minutes, literally, and 83% nap. It's crazy. It's definitely crazy. It's not like we haven't seen this thing happening before like this, but just for context, I've done 32,000 videos. I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships over the last 4 years, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of correct predictions. And I'm not even surprised, because hypothetically, this is still the supply area that we're in, and this will only start to be like a bullish market for me the moment we start breaking above 473. And there's still time, you know, still a lot of space in between. So because I've seen this, like, this is just discretion, and I've done this thousands of times, seen it happening. If I see a double break inside the supply area, then and only then this is something that I'll take low, and that's it. Like, if the price gives me the rules, cool. If it doesn't give me the rules, it's also cool. But if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.